guys, welcome to another Ender Does Minecraft video tutorial, and today I'll be showing you how to make a Minecraft Pocket Edition server, which is pretty cool. I never knew about this till this summer, so first let's get started, and all you need to know is how to get onto the server in Minecraft is pretty easy. So all you need to do, go to Minecraft, just go into your worlds, and instead of if you look under new, there's nothing there, you can't find server there. All you need to go is to edit, click that, and then you see external, click external, and that's where you can look up server. This is just a server name. Here's the address, and here's the port, which you guys shouldn't mess with. And then you just click add server. If you're on your Wi-Fi, well, if your mobile device is on your Wi-Fi, then it should automatically find it in your play section. But here, don't mess with the port. It's like the same with regular Minecraft, 25565. Here it's just 19132. Don't mess with that unless if you have your own custom port. Then just done with that, and what you want to install first is this Java SE development kit, and then this Java JRE server runtime, and then PocketMine. I'll have all these three links in the description. But let's first install the Java files. Let's start with development kit. Just click accept license. Then don't go to the demo section. Fine, if you're on 32-bit, Windows 86 is 32-bit, and if you're on 64, just click here. Download those. You click here. Here you only have Windows 64-bit, so if you're on 32-bit, you can still run the server, but this makes it run better, run smoother and everything. Okay, I can just close those. Those are kind of important, but like not as important as this. So this is the actual server itself. It's called PocketMine MP. So just download the latest version of PocketMine. Then get it for Windows. Oh, and I will be showing another video on how to make your own server on your own phone. You can run the server from your phone. But today I'll be showing you how to do it on the computer. So just do whatever 32 or 64-bit installer you have. There we go. Just save your file. Then don't go out of the page, and then go to plugin. We'll go to plugins later. Okay, just I'm waiting till those are done downloaded. Okay, good. It's all there. Then JDK. Dang it. Okay. If you're on Windows 7, it should work. Yes, if you have a runtime. Oh, is it still installing? Yeah, that's why. Okay. Because sometimes I'm on my laptop today, which is Windows 8. So sometimes some of the things doesn't work on this, or doesn't work on the desktop. So now I should try. There we go. Next. This shouldn't take too long. Then let's just try to run the PocketMine installer. Next, you can agree. The destination folder should be, let's put it to your desktop. There. Let it load. Then while that's loading, you can leave this. Yeah, it's gonna download this Minecraft Visual C++. Leave it. Don't cancel. That's gonna make it so you can see all the debugged stuff. Close. Okay. Finished downloading. Okay. Now just let it run PocketMine. So let's close this. Now just run PocketMine. Just press finish. And there you go. Then it's going to ask you the setup wizard. If you want it in English, Spanish, whatever those other languages are, in Russian, or so if you just want it in default is English, so you just press enter. You don't skip the setup wizard, so put N, then enter. And it says welcome to PocketMine. Before setting up your new server, you have to accept the license. Yeah, then you just accept it. Why? Are you going to set up a server? Give your server a name. I'm gonna put tutorial for mine. It doesn't matter the name. Yeah, you can edit all the stuff later, but default, don't mess with the port. This is the maximum amount of RAM you want your server to use. I'm gonna put mine to 1 GB. So you see they even recommend just 256. It doesn't matter. You can choose between creative or survival. I'm gonna put mine on survival. Put 0. Enter. Max amount of players online. I just leave it at 20. Press enter. The spawn okay. Spawn protection, you should probably know, is in a certain area of the spawn. You won't be able to allow or break blocks. So I would enable spawn protection. Is an op player admin of the server. Ops can run player name. Okay, so here you would put your name that you've put in Minecraft. So here, like on your mobile device, on the Galaxy S3, you go into your settings right here. Then you see your name right there. You can edit your name, and that's gonna be an op in your Minecraft server. So I just put mine. You can edit all this later. I would disallow whitelists. I don't really like whitelists. Query. Yeah, just press Y. No. I don't like Recon. No one even uses it a lot. Anonymous usage, I'd put to Y. Be sure to check it. Okay. This is so other people can see the status of your server. Just press enter, and we'll now start. Okay. Now, go like this. Press allow access. Okay. Since it's done, you can just type in stop. Why isn't it typing anything? Okay. There, it's created a file on your desktop. you have players, it saves all the save players, it shows all the, it's like the same thing as a regular server, except you're allowed to play it on the your phone, except it's different from a bucket server. If you watch my other video how to make a bucket server, it doesn't use Java files, it uses PHP files. So I think you can, is it Sublime Text? Yes, you can, if you, Sublime Text, you should already have it downloaded if you watched my other videos. Okay, don't mess with that. Okay. Now you can understand the server properties. If these are all really simple things. This is your recon password. If you had recon set to true, this is the password you would have. Then autosave, you should leave that on so it automatically saves your world. PvP, okay, you guys probably understand that. And now let's just go to plugins. Go to your web browser where you had your plugins page open. If you didn't, there's a plugin button at the bottom of the page. Then you have all these cool plugins. You can have like ranks, chess shop, there's real time. This is like, so it makes it your day always stop or it can run, and it shows the actual time. I don't know if all of these are that great. Some of them are actually really good, but like anti-griefing and just, so I'm just gonna choose a random a random plugin. I'm just gonna download No Explosion. All you need to do is download the plugin, download, direct, save. Now just open it, put it in your, just put it on your desktop. Don't close this, just go back. Now you have your plugins folder, just open the plugins folder, drag that plugin you want into there, then go back, then run start. Sometimes you see it'll show you this warning that it's not compatible with the current version of a server you have, the plugin, but it sometimes doesn't work and sometimes does. It says may not be compatible. So now you just press stop. Oops. Enter. Then you have this No Explosion file, and here's a config file. In this one, all you have is true. Like, that's all you have. It's kind of weird. You can just put it to false if you don't want this to stop exploding from TNT from exploding. Here's ops. So now, what you want to do, look, what you can do right now is you can go on your server right now. You go start it up. If you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Okay. See, it'll show you right there, tutorial, the world I made. Yeah, and it shows that it's using PocketMine, of course. Now just click on it. It's usually faster. It's just because I'm running a bunch of things on my laptop at once. It might be a little slow. And there. You see, welcome Smirkus David to the server. Yay. Okay, you're on the server, and I think spawn protection's on, so... Okay, I forgot where I spawned, but in that certain spot, it won't allow me to break anything. And you can actually type codes into this, like game mode, like I think I don't know if /game mode 1 works on this, but you can actually type like in a regular Minecraft server codes. So, but problem is, if you want other people to join your server from somewhere else, you'll have to port forward your server, which is actually not that hard. So all you need to do is go to your web browser. Well, actually, first open up command prompt. If you're on Windows 7, just go into the start menu and then type in CMD and then right click run as administrator. There you go. Now all you need to do is type in ipconfig, enter, and as you can see, you have your IPv4 address and default gateway. Don't look at the numbers and letter ones. Just look at the ones that has numbers. Look for the Internet Protocol version 4. So now all you need to know is the default gateway. So just right click, it'll copy it, make a new page, and then paste and go. Here is your router. To access your router, it's usually admin and admin, or admin and password, or password and password. Or if you use CenturyLink, it should be on the bottom of your router. It's either one of those. So you just put that password in, and now you're in the router. So if sometimes it's different on every router, like on CenturyLink, you go to advanced and you'll find port forwarding. But for mine, I'm on a Linksys. I go to security, then I go to apps and gaming, then single port forwarding. See, I already have this. I'll delete it. Well, actually, I can create a new one. So you add a new port forward. You can just call it Minecraft Pocket Edition, and then the port for this is 19132. 19132. The protocol has both UDP and TCP protocols. The device IP, as you can see in your command prompt, you have this IPv4 address. Just put that address, what you have in there, into there. So mine's 1.106, so I just put 1.106. Then I click save and apply. Okay, I'll just delete this other one. Apply. Then I click OK. And port forwarding is done. Now other people can access the server outside of your own router. So now I'll just stop in here, try to reload the Minecraft Pocket Edition server, and it's done. So I can close that, and now go back to your mobile device, go to play, here it's gonna still show your server because you're connected to your router. And remember, if you want to play another person's server, you always have to be connected to Wi-Fi, but you don't have to be connected to their router. So all you need to do is click on Edit, click External. I'm going to put the server name as tutorial. Done. The address is your external IP address. The easiest way to find that is you go to your web browser and type in what is my IP .org. Then you can see from here you have your external IP address, which is, mine is, if I go back on my mobile device, you just go and type in that address. So mine would be 66.25.14.249. Now remember, you put your external IP address in there and press done. And the port, hold on a second. Since the port should already be 19132, you can just click on Add Server and click on that server that you named. Mine's going to be tutorial. Now, let's see if this works. It's my first time. I'm just kidding. Okay. And sometimes if it doesn't work, just try taking out 19132 and then putting in 19132 again in the server port, and sometimes it just refreshes. And yeah, now you see it worked for me. Now other friends can play with you on your Minecraft Pocket Edition server. Every time I try to go on my mobile network without Wi-Fi, it keeps failing for me to join a server, because I think it can only work on Wi-Fi if it works for you. So it just did for you then. And you can find other people's servers online. Oh yeah, and plugins, all you need to do, you can just download them. You saw what I did, and it just makes it, you can't, the one I downloaded, No Explosion, it won't let you ignite TNT. It's just like Bucket Server if you watch my other videos. And you see, it's pretty nice. And on Google you can find Minecraft PE servers, and you can see the server list, and you see, this is what I mean by the stats. You can see how many players are online, see like if it's online or if it's to public, if there's a whitelist, and it shows the owner. This is what I mean. And that's the end of the video. And I'll show you guys on my next video how to install it onto your phone and run it from your phone, which is a lot cooler than through the computer. But usually through the computer it's a lot faster. And thanks for watching.